monolithic tower is beyond reach.
Hell's...
Poor creature. I hope you can follow my scent to camp. On my way.
Goblins aren't known for their cleanliness, but by Mistress Mantle, this place is rotten. The fewer breaths we take here, the better.
Goblins. Not a shred of dignity to be found among them.
Drink it in. That sweet, sweet chaos. Not that I approve of goblins, of course, filthy little beasts, but I do like a good den of debauchery.
All the great chasers are dead. Bunny Cobb.
Absolute's blessings.
Bottoms up, eh? These little lads snagged some pretty decent drink.
I need a quick word.
What? Ain't nothing left to chase. Unless you fancy volunteering.
Best be on my way.
All the great chasers are dead. Bunny Cobb. Split.
You look like you got something jingling in your pocket. Looking to spend it? Nicked him off the dead, didn't I?
All the great chasers are dead.
Who wants another drink?
Drink's going straight through me. That's the plan. We looted an entire inn. Brought back enough booze to drown a dragon. Here's to them we nicked it off. Down one mug of ale for every throat we cut.
Oi! Who took the innkeep free? It was for sale!
All the great chasers are dead. Bunny Cobb. Split. Half the toenail. Legend.
What's holding up the game? Owlbear ain't dead, is it?
Wants another drink?
Someone ought to rope them.
Innkeeper's got spilled out. I want to make a belt. I put the fear in the rest of them.
Drow that put the fear in him. Weak bastard scared me. Having a drink. It's all the sweeter when it's free, innit? Where the hell did you get yours? From an inn. Nutty, course. You won't find much there now. Took all the good stuff before we burned it.
If you fancy playing, talk to Crawler.
You ain't rounding me up for no raid. No way. I'm drinking. Yeah, here's to the absolute.
Chasers are dead. Runny cock. Bloody arm is killing me. Here's to the best sedative there is. Booze. Humans ain't good for much, but they make
Tastes even better when you nick it out of their cold, dead hands.
Enjoying the view. Looking tasty in these new breeches, ain't I? Are you kidding? I look fantastic. Maybe they're a bit loose. But that's because I keep myself in shape. Not like that chunky dwarf I nicked them off. Daft bastard came to us, and I'd been praying for a square meal. That's him, on the spit. Plenty of him to go around once he's cooked. It's good meat, if you can get it. Better than bloody chicken, anyhow. Shame he was as poor as a chicken. Nothing in his pants except a couple of coins and some lousy poem. Sure you can. But a look's all you're getting. For all I know, this little roaster was some famous bard. And you'll be sending his last words for a pretty penny.
The mark glows, but you feel nothing in response. Your illithid power is beyond reach until you rest.
Really? Oh, shite! You might as well use it as bog roll then. I'll get back to tending the meat.
Runny cock. Split foot. Half toenail. Legend.
What's that? I think I heard the absolute voice just now.
That's the drink talking. Absolute respect to a worm like you. Gotta be chosen to hear her, like the boss of a priestess.
We have to sneak the...
Meat ain't ready yet. The wolves take an age to roast. He found us. Don't know what he was doing here or where he came from. Lads inside are trying to get answers out of one of his mates. Nah, druids are all beardy and woodsy, ain't they? This lot were a scabby gang of tomb robbers. Had a big old war bear with them, though. Took 5 of our meanest lashes to chain it up. We'll beat the fight out of it and make it one of our own. Enjoy poking holes in people, do ya? He's inside. Keep to the right and follow the screams.
should listen to Crusher. He's just... he can do anything.
So, I'm shooting arrows at this dwarf. It's
What are you staring at? You think I'm small? You're just a freak.
Gotta listen to Crusher. He gets mad if you don't. Mad!
fresh disarm with me bare hands. Weaker than pixies, humans.
Oh, you got him good.
And who are you? A half-elf, thinking you rule the world.
The mark glows, but you feel nothing in response. Your illithid power is beyond reach until you rest.
Well, not us. Things are changing. We got the Absolute on our side now. You better learn your place. Go on. Kiss my foot. Or I'll wipe that nasty look right off your pretty face.
End him or leave him. But don't you dare grovel to this slug. End him or leave him. But don't you dare grovel to this slug.
Ugh. Look, mate, just piss off. You're not welcome here. Look, mate, just piss off. You're not...
The goblin stares, mouth agape. Then he sets his jaw and falls to his knees.
There. I've done it. Arrogant swine.
He kissed! Then?
What was I saying? Just had to talk to me.
Russia!
I've got to take a piss.
just lick some toes!
Very well.
I ain't paid to talk. Keep walking.
Fun going on?
Over here, lads! What you standing here all dry for? Come here, have a drink. What should we toast to, eh? Ha! I'll show you how it's done. A toast to our victory! Now you!
You raise your glass and shout.
Go on, drink up! That's it. Down the hatch. Now get out of our way. I need another drink.
You poisoned us!
As the symbol glows, power courses through you. Authority.
Sanlach, you're right. Whoever did this could be anywhere by now. Someone's killing us off! Battle stations!
You poisoned us!
The mark glows, but you feel nothing in response. Your illithid power is beyond reach until you rest. The mark glows, but you feel nothing in response. Your illithid power is
Snack! You're right. Whoever did this could be anywhere by now.
Some nasty bugger's got it in for us.
Hello, chum.
Watch yourself. There's something rotten in the booze.
You find the ones who poisoned that beer. You bring them to me. I'll take their heads for free. Poisoning the only good thing in this dump. touch the booze. Some bastards poisoned it. You feeling all right? That ale was rotten.
Keep walking. Shop's closed.
Poisoning's for cowards. Find them and kill them.
Who the hell's poisoned him?
Oh, my guts hurt. Hope I ain't poisoned.
Who the hell's poisoned him?
Some lost bugger's got it in for us. Some coward move poisoning our drink. But we'll get 'em. You'll see.
Someone kill Bear. No more fun. I smash him.